Ask Trooper Steve, where I get to answer some of the questions that you send in to me, and this is a pretty good one. So we're talking, who is Miranda and what do they have to do with my rights? So when you hear the phrase, you have the right to remain silent, you're hearing something that came straight from the U.S. Supreme Court case back in the 1960s. The rights we know today as Miranda actually come from a case called Miranda versus Arizona in 1966. So here's the story. Ernesto Miranda was arrested back in Phoenix and questioned by police. So he ended up confessing, but here's the issue. He didn't know he had the right to remain silent or the right to have an attorney present with him. The Supreme Court stepped in and said, quote, "From now on, before questioning, police must make sure suspects know their rights." That's why the warnings are called Miranda rights, named after the man at the center of that case. So next time you hear those famous words in a movie or TV show or in the back of a police car, remember, they're not just dramatic lines, they're protections that came from a real case meant to make sure everyone knows the rules before being questioned, reference to a crime. If you've got a traffic safety question you want me to answer it or anything else, head to clickorlando.com/AskTrooperSteve.